Welcome back. Today is October 9th, 2025, and here's the latest update on Bigbear.Ai Holdings Incorporated, trading under ticker BBAI on the New York Stock Exchange. The stock currently trades at $7.18, showing a slight dip of about 1.58% from the previous close of $7.29. The day's trading range was between $7.11 and $7.38. Over the past year, BBAI has demonstrated high volatility with a low near $1.48 and a high around $10.36, reflecting the growth potential in AI-enabled analytics and defense applications. Bigbear.AI operates in the AI space, providing cutting-edge analytics primarily to defense and commercial sectors. The company carries a market cap of approximately $2.66 billion and reports a negative EPS of -$1.58, typical for a growth-focused tech firm investing heavily in research and development. Technically, the stock is positioned above both its 50-day moving average of $6.12 and 200-day average near $4.97, signaling ongoing bullish momentum despite recent pullbacks. For trading strategy, momentum traders should consider buying strength above $7.30 with targets near $8, while placing stop-loss orders around $6.80 to manage downside risk. Swing traders may look to enter on pullbacks closer to the 50-day moving average. Long-term investors should keep a close watch on Bigbear.AI's upcoming earnings report scheduled for November 5th and pay attention to any new contract wins or technological breakthroughs, which could act as catalysts for further price appreciation. That's the Bigbear.AI stock update for October 9th, 2025. Subscribe for more daily market insights and practical trading tips.